Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Fixing credit reporting errors after bankruptcy. How to hold credit bureaus accountable. For individuals who have filed for bankruptcy, the expectation is that once their debts are discharged, they can move forward with a clean financial slate. However, many find that credit bureaus fail to update their credit reports accurately, causing unnecessary financial hardship. Delinquencies continue to be reported. Discharged accounts are marked as charge-offs, and hefty balances remain on accounts that should have a zero balance. At the law firm of Figeroux and Associates, we recognize that these errors can prevent you from rebuilding your credit and securing financial opportunities. That's why it's our mission to hold credit bureaus accountable and work with you to ensure that your credit report accurately reflects your true post-bankruptcy financial standing. If you're facing credit reporting errors after bankruptcy, call us now at 855-768-8845 or schedule an appointment at askthelawyer.us. Listen to learn why these errors occur, how they impact you, and what legal steps can be taken to fix them. Understanding credit reporting errors after bankruptcy. When you receive a bankruptcy discharge, all debts included in the bankruptcy should reflect the correct status on your credit report. This means zero balances on discharged accounts, no delinquencies reported for debts discharged in bankruptcy, no charge-offs for accounts included in bankruptcy, an accurate debt-to-income ratio. However, credit bureaus frequently fail to update reports correctly, leaving incorrect and damaging information that affects your financial future. Common post-bankruptcy credit reporting errors. If you filed for bankruptcy, you should check your credit report for these common errors. 1. Reporting discharged debts as delinquent. Some credit bureaus continue to report late payments on accounts that were included in your bankruptcy, even though the debt has been discharged. This is illegal and can lower your credit score unnecessarily. 2. Marking discharged accounts as charge-offs. A charge-off indicates that a lender has written off a debt as uncollectible. If an account was discharged in bankruptcy, it should not be listed as a charge-off. 3. Incorrectly reporting balances on discharged accounts. Once a debt is discharged, the balance should be $0. Some creditors fail to update balances, making it appear as though you still owe money. This artificially inflates your debt-to-income ratio, making it harder to qualify for new credit or loans. 4. Failing to update account status to included in bankruptcy. Each discharged debt should be labeled included in bankruptcy on your credit report. If this status is missing, it can create confusion when lenders evaluate your credit. 5. Accounts wrongly marked as active or open. Some credit bureaus fail to close accounts that were discharged, making it seem like you still have access to them. 6. Reappearing debts. Zombie debt errors. Old debts that were legally discharged sometimes reappear on your credit report years later. This is called re-aging, and it is a violation of federal law. Why these errors are so damaging? Post-bankruptcy credit errors can devastate your financial recovery by lowering your credit score. Errors make it look like you have outstanding debts or delinquencies, keeping your score unnecessarily low. Preventing loan approvals. Incorrect reports can disqualify you from mortgages, car loans, and credit cards. Raising your interest rates. Even if you qualify for new credit, inaccurate credit data can lead to higher interest rates. Blocking rental and job opportunities. Many landlords and employers check credit reports, and negative errors can impact housing and employment. Causing emotional stress. Seeing errors on your credit report can cause unnecessary anxiety and frustration after working hard to rebuild your finances. What you can do. Steps to fix credit reporting errors after bankruptcy. If your credit report contains errors, you don't have to accept it. Here's how you can fix post-bankruptcy reporting mistakes. Step 1. Obtain your credit reports. You are entitled to one free credit report per year from each bureau via annualcreditreport.com. Request reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion and check for errors. Step 2. Dispute the errors directly with the credit bureaus. Write a formal dispute letter to each credit bureau listing the errors. Attach supporting documentation, such as your bankruptcy discharge paperwork. The credit bureau has 30 days to investigate and respond. Step 3. Dispute the errors with the original creditor. Creditors are required to report accurate information under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA. If a creditor refuses to update your report, they can be held legally accountable. Step 4. Follow up and keep records. Keep copies of all dispute letters, responses, and supporting documents. If the errors are not corrected, document each failure to comply. This evidence will be critical for legal action. Step 5. File a complaint with the CFPB. Asterisk if the credit bureaus or creditors refuse to correct errors, file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, at www.consumerfinance.gov. Step 6. Take legal action against credit bureaus and creditors. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, you have the right to sue if credit bureaus fail to correct inaccurate information. If you've been harmed by incorrect credit reporting, you may be entitled to monetary compensation. How Figeroux and Associates can help you. At the law firm of Figeroux and Associates, we are committed to holding credit bureaus accountable. Our legal team will review your credit report for errors, send formal dispute letters on your behalf, force creditors to comply with the law, file lawsuits if necessary to protect your rights, help you recover damages if errors have hurt you financially. If your credit report is incorrect after bankruptcy, you don't have to fight alone. Call us at 855-768-8845 or schedule an appointment at askthelawyer.us. Conclusion. Demand accuracy. Protect your financial future. Filing for bankruptcy is supposed to give you a fresh start, but credit reporting errors can keep you trapped in financial hardship. If credit bureaus are still reporting delinquencies, charge-offs, high balances, or incorrect statuses, you have the right to take action. Don't let credit errors ruin your future. Hold credit bureaus and creditors accountable. Take control of your credit now. For legal assistance in fixing post-bankruptcy credit reporting errors, contact Figeroux and Associates today at 855-768-8845 or visit askthelawyer.us to schedule your consultation. Your financial recovery starts here.
Does the thought of bankruptcy keep you up at night? The fear of losing your home, the harassing calls from creditors, your wages being garnished. How will you survive? What will you do? The law firm of Figeroux and Associates will protect you. Figeroux and Associates is one of the most sophisticated consumer bankruptcy law firms in the country, and they will fight to protect your rights. Have the peace of mind knowing that your case is being handled by experienced consumer bankruptcy attorneys. Don't let the bank take your home. There is a way out. Call the law firm of Figeroux and Associates today for a consultation. 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. The law firm of Figeroux and Associates will explain all your options and help you decide the best course of action. Schedule your consultation today. 855-768-8845 or visit 311bankruptcy.com. That's 855-768-8845 or visit 311bankruptcy.com and put those sleepless nights to bed.